It would take twice the effort just to get it back again on its feet to where we are now because we took the responsibility and paid the political price of doing the right thing. For standing with me and doing the right thing, thank you, Congress. The strong, bitter, and unpopular revenue measures of the past few years have spared our country the worst of the global financial shocks. They gave us the resources to stimulate the economy. Nabigyan nila ang pinakamalaking pagtaas ng IRA ng mga LGU na 14 billion pesos itong taon. Imparting strength throughout the country and at every level of government. Compared to the past, we have built more and better infrastructure, including those started by others but left unfinished. The Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway is a prime example of building better roads. It creates wealth as the flagship of the Subic-Clark Corridor. We have built airports of international standard, upgraded domestic airports, built seaports, and the roll-on, roll-off system. I ask Congress for a Philippine transport security law. Some say that after the SONA, it will be all politics. Sorry, but there's more work. Sa telecommunications naman, inatasan ko ang Telecommunications Commission na kumilos na tungkol sa mga sumbong na drop calls at mga nawawalang load sa cellphone. We need to amend the Commonwealth era Public Service Law, and we need to do it now. Kung noong nakaraan, lumakas ang electronics, today, we are creating wealth by developing the BPO and tourism sectors as additional engines of growth. Electronics and other manufactured exports rise and fall in accordance with the state of the world economy. But BPO remains resilient. With earnings of $6 billion and employment of 600,000, the BPO phenomenon speaks eloquently of our competitiveness and productivity. Let us have a Department of ICT. In the last 4 years, tourism almost doubled. It is now a $5 billion industry. Our reforms gave us the resources to protect our people, our financial system, and our economy from the worst of shocks that the best in the West failed to anticipate. They gave us the resources to extend welfare support and enhance spending power. For helping me raise government salaries through Joint Resolution Number 4, thank you, Congress. Cash handouts give the most immediate relief and produce the widest stimulating effect. Nakikinabang ang 700,000 na pinakamahihirap na pamilya sa programang Pantawid Pamilya. We prioritize projects with the same stimulus effects plus long-term contributions to progress. Sa pagpapamahagi ng milyong-milyong ektaryang lupa, 700,000 na katutubo at mahigit 1 milyong benepisyaryo ng CARP ay taas noong may-ari na ng sariling lupa. Hinihiling ko sa Kongreso na ipasa agad ang pagpapalawig ng CARP.